Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to see captions on your Facebook video. So if you're watching a video on Facebook and you want to see captions, then let me show you how to do this. So first go ahead and open up Facebook, then tap on the video section. Now go ahead and open the video where there is a caption. So for example, this one here, to get captions, go ahead and tap on the three dots. Now from here, you want to go ahead and find the caption option, which is right here, caption and translation. Tap on this. If there is caption, you'll be able to tap on this option. However, since there is no voice, there is no caption for this. But you can go ahead and turn on the caption from here, and then caption will start appearing on your videos. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on captions on your Facebook app.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.